Hey guys, welcome back to A&A Kids channel. Today we're here for another unboxing and review of this headset. It's called Koshin Each Pro Gaming Stereo Headset, and it's the G9000, and it's made by the company Bengoo. It looks great on the box, and let's see what's inside. So here we have what looks to be a 3.5mm splitter, mainly used for PC. And here we have a multi-language instruction sheet. And then here's the headset, nicely wrapped in bubble wrap. Nice colors. So here is the microphone. It bends. You can't really pull it out. It's just, you can move it up and down. Here is the USB. This USB is only used for the LED lights. You can still use the headset without the USB, but the LED lights won't turn on. So here is the audio jack that you can plug into your cell phone, your laptop, your tablet, or like any sort of controller. Here is like what looks to be another microphone. Here's like a mute and unmute button, and here's a volume control button. And here we have like a really long cable. It can stretch out a really long way. So the cable is really good material. It's really long, so you can put it into your PC from a really long distance, or whatever from a really long distance. So the headset is really nice. It's nice glossy black right there, silver. The colors are really good. I love the blue. There's even red as well. And the cushion on the top of the headset is really nice, so it's gonna feel really comfortable for the head. And the ear cushions are also really comfortable as well. And these are where the LED lights are. And yeah. And as well, guys, this headset is adjustable, so there's lots of room on both sides. And I'm gonna do audio quality test, and I'll come back and let you know. As you guys can see, I plugged in the USB to my laptop, and these are the LED lights. They're pretty sick. So yeah, guys, I'm watching a YouTube video right now, and the noise canceling on this thing is really good. And the audio quality as well is a lot better than a ton of gaming headsets out there, especially for this price range. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I hope you really liked this video, and I hope you got a lot of information about this headset, and we'll see you next time.